Alright, let's talk about something huge. It involves a project many of you have been mining on your phones for years, the Pi network. You've been patiently tapping that button every single day, watching your Pi balance grow and wondering when all that effort will finally pay off in a big way. Well, get ready, because that moment is getting incredibly close. We're not just talking about another small update or a minor feature tweak. We are talking about a fundamental shift in what you can do with your Pi change that could transform the entire ecosystem from the ground up. This isn't just a step forward, it's a giant leap that positions the Pi network in a completely new league, and it all starts with your Pi wallet. For the longest time, the conversation around Pi has been about, when mainnet, what will the price be? While those are still incredibly important questions, a new development is about to steal the spotlight. The team behind the Pi wallet, a key application within the Pi ecosystem, is launching a feature that promises to solve one of the biggest headaches in all of cryptocurrency. It's called the multi-chain swap, and it's designed to make trading and using your digital assets unbelievably simple. Your digital pocket for the future. Before we dive into the new, shiny features, let's get back to basics for a second and talk about the Pi wallet itself. For anyone who has been part of the Pi network, you know the core idea has always been creating a cryptocurrency for everyday people. It's a currency you can mine on your phone without draining your battery or needing a supercomputer. The Pi wallet is the natural extension of that vision. It's designed to be the secure home for the Pi coins you've been diligently accumulating. Think of it as your digital pocket or your personal bank vault, but one that you, and only you, have the keys to. Unlike a traditional bank account where a corporation holds your money, the Pi wallet is a non-custodial wallet. When you create your wallet, you get a secret passphrase, a string of words that acts as your master key. This key gives you exclusive access to your funds, meaning no one else, even the Pi core team, can touch your coins. This principle of self-custody is a cornerstone of the entire cryptocurrency movement. The Pi wallet provides a safe, user-friendly place to store your hard-earned digital assets. But a wallet needs to be more than storage. It must be a gateway, a tool to interact with decentralized apps, marketplaces, and financial services. So, as we stand here today, the wallet's role as a simple storage container is officially ending. Now for the main event, the reason we're all here. Before and after, a simple Pi balance becomes swap arrows connecting Pi to Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. The big announcement, the official launch of the multi-chain swap feature inside your Pi wallet. This is the feature everyone will be talking about. It's the single most significant functional upgrade to Pi since mainnet. It takes Pi's promise, making crypto accessible to everyone, and rockets it into the stratosphere with powerful, practical utility. This isn't a future promise, it's happening right now. So, what is this multi-chain swap? In simple terms, a built-in exchange that lets you trade Pi coins for other cryptocurrencies directly inside Pi wallet. And the magic, it works across multiple blockchains. This is the multi-chain aspect, why it's revolutionary. You won't be limited to assets on the Pi blockchain. Swap Pi for Ethereum, swap Pi for a stablecoin on Polygon, swap Pi for a token from Solana, all without leaving your secure wallet, powered by a DEX called Pi Dex. Pi Dex is the engine under the hood. It provides liquidity, pools of assets to execute trades instantly. No untrusted websites, no dozen confusing steps. Open your wallet, choose your swap, a few taps, it's done. It's that simple. Let's break it down. I know terms like multi-chain swap and DeFi can sound a little intimidating, so let's break it down with a simple analogy anyone can understand. Imagine you have a gift card for your favorite coffee shop. That gift card is great, but it only works at that one specific chain. If you want to buy a burger next door, your coffee gift card is useless. You'd have to first use the gift card to get cash, which you usually can't do, and then use that cash to buy the burger. This is how crypto has worked for a long time. Your Bitcoin lives on the Bitcoin blockchain. Your Ethereum lives on the Ethereum blockchain. They live in different worlds. A multi-chain swap is like a magic gift card that instantly works at the coffee shop, the burger joint, the bookstore, the movie theater. You don't have to do anything special. You just tap, and it converts to whatever the store accepts. It removes all the friction and complexity. In crypto, your PiPay wallet can take an asset from one blockchain, like Pi coins, and swap it for an asset on a different blockchain, like an Ethereum stablecoin, without you doing complicated manual steps. Traditionally, this was a nightmare. Exchanges, withdrawals, bridges, fees, and risks. PiPay Wallet's multi-chain swap eliminates all of that. It condenses the whole multi-step, high-fee, risky process into a single simple transaction. The tech works behind the scenes, handling routing, bridging, and converting for you. The first and most powerful benefit: complete demolition of blockchain borders. For too long, each chain has operated like its own country, with strict border controls. Now, with multi-chain support, your wallet becomes a universal passport. Imagine an NFT launching on Solana and all you have are Pi coins. Open PiPay Wallet, swap Pi for SOL, and be ready to mint in minutes. One wallet, multiple chains, instant swap. PiPay Wallet is the only app you need. No more juggling apps and passwords. Everything in one unified interface. Pi coins are no longer isolated. They're connected to the multi-trillion-dollar DeFi world. Let's be honest. DeFi has been too complicated and time-consuming. Nobody wants to spend evenings on tutorials. The multi-chain swap is built for real people with busy lives. It prioritizes simplicity and speed, saving you headaches. The old way had countless points of failure and stacked fees at every step. A simple swap could cost $20, $50, or even more dollars during congestion. Now, the multi-chain swap turns it into one streamlined operation, with a clear preview and minimal fees. The system finds the most cost-effective route, leveraging efficient chains and liquidity sources to keep costs to a minimum. It makes DeFi accessible, technically and financially, so you don't have to be a whale to participate. Now, let's talk about the engine that powers this whole operation: Pi Dex. Quick. PiPay Wallet directly connected to Pi Dex liquidity pool. A swap feature is only as good as the liquidity behind it. Liquidity means a big enough pool of assets to execute trades instantly and prevent wild price swings. Without liquidity, trades fail or suffer terrible slippage, or you wait too long. Direct integration gives PiPay Wallet users a massive advantage. Pi Dex is a decentralized exchange built for the Pi ecosystem and designed to connect with the broader crypto world. Building multi-chain swap on Pi Dex ensures deep, reliable liquidity. You can trust the price you see will be close to the final price. Many apps route trades through multiple DEX, adding complexity, extra fees, and more points of failure. A native integrated DEX makes PiPay Wallet self-sufficient and highly efficient. It's like a grocery store with its own dedicated farms, cutting out middlemen for better quality and better prices. Direct liquidity boosts confidence, shows the ecosystem is maturing, and creates a positive feedback loop. More users, deeper liquidity, more users. Your trades are simple, fast, reliable, and secure. Let's zoom out and look at the big picture. The launch of the multi-chain swap isn't just incremental, it fundamentally redefines what the PiPay Wallet is. Before today, it was primarily a storage utility, a digital safe deposit box. Swiss Army knife. Store Pi, send, receive, swap ETH, trade SOL, access DeFi. Now it's a comprehensive financial services hub that fits in your pocket. It combines the security of a non-custodial wallet with the power of a multi-chain decentralized exchange. This combo used to be clunky. PiPay packages immense power into a simple, intuitive app anyone can use with confidence. You can actively manage your portfolio, rebalance, protect gains in stablecoins, or speculate on emerging tokens. Acquire the specific tokens needed to interact with dApps, games, and NFT platforms across the crypto universe. Your wallet becomes a command center for Web3 and DeFi, with your Pi coins as the key that grants access. A cryptocurrency is only as valuable as its utility. Turning PiPay into an all-in-one DeFi tool provides a powerful answer. It elevates the project from a speculative mining app to a robust financial platform, creating a sticky ecosystem people want to use. Your patience as a pioneer is being rewarded. The game is officially changing, starting right now. So, let's bring it all together. For years, millions of us have been tapping a button, participating in a bold experiment to create a decentralized, accessible cryptocurrency. We've been patient, we've kept the faith. We've accumulated our Pi while waiting for the ecosystem to mature. Today, that patience is being rewarded. The multi-chain swap is the starting pistol for the next phase of the Pi network's revolution. It's the moment when potential transforms into tangible, usable power, completely changing the game. By breaking down walls between blockchains, your PiPay wallet becomes a universal passport to the world of DeFi. It makes cross-chain trading as simple as tapping a button, saving you time, saving you money, and saving you a whole lot of stress. With direct liquidity from Pi Dex, your trades are fast, reliable, and efficient. It's the perfect blend of security, power, and simplicity. Inside an app you already know and trust. PiPay Wallet is no longer just a wallet. It's a gateway connecting Pi to the broader multi-trillion-dollar crypto market, multiplying your Pi's utility. This is the breakthrough we've been waiting for. The answer to, but what can I do with my Pi? Now the answer is, almost anything you want in DeFi. The DeFi revolution is here. It's for everyone. And it starts now. The future of finance is officially in your pocket.